In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen in the Google Gemini Windows app. To get started, open the Gemini app on your Windows PC and make sure you're signed in and on the main chat screen. You'll find the share screen control near the message box. Look for an icon that resembles a monitor with an arrow. Click it to begin. The first time you use screen sharing, Windows may ask for permission to capture your screen. Approve that request so Gemini can see what you choose to show. If you don't see the prompt or the button seems disabled, check that your app is up to date and that Windows privacy settings allow screen recording for desktop apps. After clicking the Share Screen button, you'll be asked to select what to share. You can pick your entire display, a specific application window, or a single browser tab. Choose the option that best fits your task. Sharing your entire screen is great for full workflows, or when you need to switch between apps, while selecting one window or tab keeps everything else private. If you use multiple monitors, make sure you select the correct display by checking the thumbnail preview. Before you confirm, take a moment to close any unrelated documents and silence notifications so you don't accidentally reveal sensitive information. Some setups may also offer a toggle to include system audio. Enable it only if the sound is relevant to what you want Gemini to analyze. Once your screen is shared, bring the content you want Gemini to see into view and make your prompt in the chat. A simple example is, summarize this. You can also be more specific to get better results, like, summarize the key points on this slide in 3 bullet sentences, or extract deadlines and owners from the table on the right. The clearer your instruction, the more accurate the output will be. If you're showing a web page, you might say, compare the pricing tiers visible on this page and recommend the best option for a small team. Or, if you're in a document, draft a concise executive summary from the section currently on screen. Keep the area of interest centered and readable, as Gemini processes what it sees. If the result isn't quite right, refine your prompt by mentioning the portion of the screen you want analyzed, the desired format, or the level of detail. You can continue the conversation with follow-up prompts to iterate quickly until you get exactly what you need. That's all there is to it. Click Share Screen, choose what to show, and guide Gemini with a clear prompt.